Imagine, if minutes from now you could create your very own mobile apps for iOS and Android without ever having to write a single line of code, and even publish them to the iOS and Google Play app stores with one click, complete with descriptions, screenshots, and a listing that's going to make people download, buy, and get you paid fast. It would enable you to tap into $700 billion mobile app industry to become the new Angry Birds for yourself, or sell apps to hungry local and online businesses who can't pay enough to get their hands on their own mobile apps. That's right, commercial licenses included. Look, mobile app development has quickly become a costly experience that's reserved for either gifted developers or Silicon Valley type businesses with very deep pockets. Buy button below to get access to ProfitDev during the early bird launch that includes a massive $100 discount, and you get our platform with lifetime access. We're excited to step into this new era of mobile app creation together. Welcome to ProfitDev.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products and training courses that generally help you elevate your business and your life to the next level. If making money online is your intention on my channel, I review products and training courses, including basically anything that will help you make money online. Today, I have another amazing product software called ProfitDev. ProfitDev is going live on the 18th of August 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this amazing product is being launched by Mike McKay and his partner Radu. And of course, this one in a nutshell, it's going to be one product that you will love to actually make use of. And if I should tell you what it's all about, it's a brand new mobile app maker that lets you create and publish unlimited done for you mobile apps to iOS App Store and of course Google Play Store within minutes. And all these are done with zero coding, zero monthly fees, and zero experience. So it's an amazing product that I can assure you. And if this is a product you would like to have to be able to create mobile apps on your own that you can sell online, then this is the product you need. And of course, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area, and that link will definitely bring you to this very sales page. And when you get to this sales page, you can use any of the links that are scattered all over here to actually get a copy for yourself. And of course, if that is done, you will definitely be in the position to actually thank me later for this. Now, let us go into more details with this. And of course, before I do any other thing, I am going to show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you for this one. I have about 6 of them, or 7 of them actually, which you are going to make use of as long as this one is concerned. And then you will see that these are bonuses that are going to blow your mind up. Now, my first bonus for you for this very product, ProfitDev, is unique and beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits, which is called Latitude. This basically has to do with the NFTs. And NFTs, as you may know, are non-fungible tokens which you can exchange as digital ads on blockchains. And of course, that means you will be making money online. It's actually ruling the online make money online niche. If you Google what is NFTs, you'll be able to find out that a lot of people, even kids, are making a lot of money with this very niche of online marketing. Okay, so that's what you have with Latitude as my bonus number 1. My bonus number 2 will be Tweetex. Tweetex is a product, a software that was created by Jonah Armstrong, and it made a lot of waves and is still selling till today. And it basically teaches you how to crack the Twitter traffic. It is a Chrome extension and a bot system that will be there silently harvesting traffic on autopilot from Twitter to any offer or link of your choice, and that includes affiliate links. So that's what you have as my bonus number 2. My bonus number 3 will be the Insurgency. Insurgency basically is a training course that is going to teach you how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing, including even native ads, so that you would use this Insurgency product to actually master how you can make money turning $1 per click of your ads marketing strategy into $100 a day. So that's what you have here. Now you have my bonus number 4 as how to access free buyer traffic, and this product is called a software. It's called Lazy Traffic Sniper, and it snipes lazily traffic from different sources to any offer or link or website, landing page, sales page of your choice. Okay, so that's what you have as my number 4. My number 5 bonus will be the JavaScript commission bot, which is a bot system, a software that is going to actually help you be making 4 figures daily commissions, and this will be automated in a way that it will be working on autopilot for you. And my bonus number 6 will be the famous lockdown formula, which was a formula that was created by Jonah Armstrong and Dawood Islam to help you start and scale digital marketing from 0 to 10,000 per month and even more. So that's what you have with this training course, which is highly advisable. Okay, now you have my bonus number 4 as the mega premium bonus, which contains over 1,000 tools, digital marketing tools, and it's called the Commission Toolbox. Here you have everything you want, like how to monetize your channel, how to monetize your website, backlinks, everything you need as a tool. As long as making money online is concerned, you can obtain it with this very Commission Toolbox, which has over 1,000 tools for you. And when you do eventually click any of the links on the sales page, it will definitely give you access to go to my Warrior Plus account where you buy this product. When you buy this product, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this, and of course the green button here on your purchase history will give you access to this very ProfitDev, and of course this one below will give you access to these amazing bonuses, 1,022 of them, as I can assure you. So you have absolutely every incentive you need to actually get this work for you. Okay, so that's what I have for you as long as bonuses are concerned. Now let us take a look at the very sales page and see if we can look at the pricing for this one. Okay, now you have the front end for this one goes for $17, and that will give you access to the amazing software members area, which is this. And of course I will show you the demo video of this very product in action with that demo video. And of course you have the front end discount price as $15. That means you have $2 discount on the front end, which makes it $15 for you. And here you have upgrade number 1. It goes for $36 naturally, but the downsell here goes for $26.93, approximately $27. And here you have the upgrade, and that is the pro version, which is advisable. If you get the $15 ProfitDev front end, you can always get this unlimited version, which is upgrade number 2, so that you get the pro version to be able to sort of cover any limitations you have on the front end with a downsell of $15. So that's what you have. And upgrade number 3 will be 36, and this is basically the done for you, which means everything is basically done for you, and you get it at a discount of $27 thereabout. And of course you'll be able to get everything basically set up for you by the support of this very product. And of course you know what that means. Now you have the upgrade number 5, which is the reseller rights, and it goes for $197, which means you can use this product, turn it into your own, and of course make money 100% across the entire funnel. So that's why it is this expensive, as in the context of the prices that you have seen so far. So now you have the upgrade number 6, which is the seller downsell discount of this very $197 goes for $97. So you have it even cheaper with 100% off. Now you have the ProfitDev upgrade number 7, which is the IMX bundle. It goes for $97, and the discount for this one goes for $67. So you basically have everything cut and almost half for you. So it's amazing how Mike McKay and Radu are doing this thing. So that's what you have as pricing here. Now let us scroll through the sales page to see if we can sort of go through which I believe at your convenience, when you click the link on my description area, you will definitely come here and see all the insane testimonials and income proofs that you have here, which will definitely set you on the path of making up your mind to make money online with this very amazing ProfitDev product. So I am excited, as you can see, and I believe you should be so, because it's another way of helping you make money online if making money online is a difficult task for you. So this is basically what you have here. Now, this is, I believe, what we can go and how far we can go with this one, and see if we can locate any bonuses from the vendor, which will be yours eventually if you use the link in my description area to get this very one. And of course, that will be yours on what I call a platter of gold. So it's so exciting to do this one. You see all the big wigs that are actually sort of reviewing this product, as testimonials for this product. All these guys are 7-figure, 6-figure affiliate vendors and marketers and creators. So that gives you information as to what you have with this very ProfitDev. And of course, if this is your own choice, then you definitely start and become a testimony to what is all about, talking about ProfitDev. So that's basically what we have. As long as this one is concerned, we are going to conclude this very bonus, this very review ProfitDev on my bonus page. And I will encourage you, if you are new to my channel or a returning customer, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. And definitely I'll be back to you in my next review. But just before this one is ended, I will try my best to give you access to the demo video so that you see exactly what this one is all about. Okay, otherwise here we call it a day, and I will be back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me from here is good.